Hi friends! Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It will surely help our channel. Happy reading everyone! Hello everyone, this is chapter 17. Let's start reading. He is an eyesore. Takas yarn. Slipping away. I was too hasty to shut the last page. I hope he does not doubt me. Next day, Haichon University. Is a fat cat here? Oh, a fleet of limos. I've told you to keep a low profile. She's upset. Inatid ba naman ng limousine? May pa-umbrella pa. Please understand us, Miss Goofy. This is the lowest standard of the Suwon group. Suspicious. Lowest standard na yan, nakalimo, pinapayungan, may bodyguard. Who is that girl? She comes to the university with bodyguards? You'd better get used to this as early as possible. Okay. I should get along with Mr. Money. Mr. Money. Matter is made up of tiny particles, atoms according to atomic theory. Waves are thought of another form of existence of matter. University physics. Oh, physics na naman. Have you heard that why Wei Li in the next classroom has become a smart girl overnight? Whisper. Do you mean Miss Goofy? Is it true? Goofy na talaga yung tawag nila, no? She has been protected by a super wealthy man. She is sent here this morning by luxury cars which can line up 3 circles around our campus. It may be thought that a queen has come to our university. What Gison said last night shows that he may be a top hacker too. I should make much more complicated program next time. Tulog na yung nasa harapan. You have prepared a lesson before class. The girl sitting in the last row and rotating her pen. Yung siya yung napansin niya yung natutulog pala. Please stand up and answer my question. Tell us the de Broglie wave, Bohr model, and Dirac equation. Dami naman. Tapos yung natutulog, hindi mo man lang tinawag. I will give you more credits if you can give me the right answers. Otherwise, no preparations for the new lessons and absence of mind in class will make you lose 5 credits. So yung yung natutulog, cushion an uncle of Jenny Ann. Ah, uncle na Jenny Ann. Good preparation doesn't mean good memorization. Mr. Ann is the uncle of Jenny Ann. He is doing this for his niece who has been beaten up by Goofy. Don't say that. It is Q&A time in class. The credits are so important that we can't graduate if we have insufficient ones. Talaga lang, ha? Goofy failed many exams in the first half of the semester. It will be too hard for her to answer those questions. Stand up. Just answer these simple questions. Simple questions ka dyan. You should be attentive in class rather than think something else. The best student may consider something more important in class, but you are the worst. De Broglie wave is a hypothesis proposed by the French physicist de Broglie. Radiation has duality and all physical particles have duality too. Bohr model refers to electrons doing circular motions around a nucleus in a specific orbit, and the energy will be increased with the growing distance to the core. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko nga alam yan eh. Meron ba talaga yan sa physics? Neither the atoms will be emitted nor energy will be absorbed by electricity. Parang ayaw ko basahin yung part niya na. The atoms will be emitted and energy will be absorbed when electrons move from one orbit to another. The Dirac equation refers to, o diba? Lahat ng sagot niya. I don't understand her words, but I'm shocked. What is she talking about? That's all, Mr. Anne. Feeling ko pati siya di niya alam eh. I have memorized your lesson and all the contents in the book, on the textbook. Nga si Mr. Anne. Ano ka ngayon? Will you give me more credits, Mr. Anne? May I sit down and go on with my thinking? Okay, you may sit down. Endure my anger. I can handle it well. Thank you, sir. Oh my gosh, Goofy has embarrassed Mr. Anne. Ito naman kasi mga chismosang to eh. Chismis na nga, narinig naman. I don't believe Goofy is a grade D student. She says she is lazy. She has been studying somewhere else, the second to last student. Second to the last student. I will be the last one if it continues. Dami na niyang points, oh. Unlock retentive memory. It will need 10 points of vented feelings. Will you unlock it? Luckily, I unlocked the retentive memory in the morning class. But I have consumed too many points. Current points of vented feelings, 2. 2 points na lang. Goofy? Bakit Goofy kasi laging tinatawag nila, no? Nasanay na lang din kasi. The troublemakers will bring me more points. Happy siya. Kasi konti na lang yung points niya. Ngayon may mga bago na naman. Right, let's check the next chapter. Chapter 18. Let's continue reading. So, there will be a lot of points coming. Kasi basta may troublemaker, more points. Tell us what kind of elixir you have had to make you so clever. Will you give me some? Ay, share good things with good classmates. Ay, nangihingi lang pala ng gamot. You're so brilliant that you will be admitted into class 1 from class 7 in the placement test. The placement test? The elimination system is adopted in Harshon University. The freshmen will learn the general courses and sophomores will choose their major. The best lecturers will be provided for the popular majors with 30 students in each field. Ganito din sana sa Pilipinas, no? Ka-sophomore mo, makapili ka nung anong gusto mong major. Oh, no, they're a college student. They're supposed to choose their major on first year. The freshmen will be placed in 7 classes according to the ranking list of entrance test marks in the first half of the semester, and the students with the highest marks will be in class 1, the lowest in class 7. The placement test will be held in second half. So, magte-take sila ng exam para malaman kung saan sila ilalagay na klase. The students who can be placed in class 1 will have a large sum of scholarship and preferentially choose the major for the second year. The placement test will be only chance for me. Only chance pa mapalapit siya sa dalawa, no? Matatalino siguro itong mga brothers niya. To get close to my brothers. Class 1. So, nasa class 1 lahat ng brothers niya. According to Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, we can never measure the position and momentum of particle at the same time. Ito na naman tong physics teacher na to na si Mr. N. Type quietly, Bay. The noise can't make me sleep well. Kambal sila? But same sila ng klase. You may skip the class and sleep at home. Ito yung brother niya, di ba? Si Bailey. Absence of mind, sleeping, playing online games in class. The students nowadays are too bad. Doon siya nangiipit sa class 7 pero sa class 1 hindi niya magawa. I can scold the two top students of the rich, powerful Lee family. Top student pala yan eh. What's wrong? You look as worried as when you knew our parents and Starro disappeared. Suddenly, alam nilang nawawala yung kapatid nila tsaka yung mga magulang nila pero parang chill lang sa kanila. Starro has left me a message. What? Let me see. Sit up in surprise. Here, Star. I have seen him and I am too excited to tell. Just like the messy code. Hindi ko Ano yan? Hindi ko maano. Oh, my ano, a second, my heart away. Are you sure the message on your Weibo was left by Starro? She may be one of your feverish fan. I am sure of it. I have seen him. I am too excited to tell, just like the messy code. Give me a set of codes, Bay. Starro Lee at the age of 4. So matalino talaga si Starro Lee. I want to have the codes of my own. Take it. Cryptography. Cryptography binigay sa 4 years old na bata. Seriously? Among the 26 English letters, choose one letter every 4 letters successively, according to Caesar Ziffer. That is to say, replace A with D, replace B with E, and so on. At least you will have your own system of codes. This is the book Crack the Codes in the reverse way if you need. Bailey at the age of 5. Okay. So, magkasunuran sila. 4, 5. Unhappy. That will neither be funny nor be special. Oh, I've got a good idea. I'll create this. Scribble. Ano yan? There are 6 vowels in the Chinese pinyin. A, O, E, I, O, E. We are 6 siblings, 1 letter for 1 child. Sino yun, si Goofy? The 6 siblings should not be replaced anyway. Jane Lee at the age of 7, adopted daughter. Yung adopted. The remaining 20 letters may be replaced up and down according to the 5 times 4 sort order. Make it. This is the system of codes for us. You are a foolish girl. Take it. Y is a semi-vowel. Chanley at the age of 4. You are not attentive in class. Kaedad sila? Chan. A semi-vowel is pronounced between a vowel and a consonant. An outsider should not be included into the same group. You are a silly girl. Parang nagpaparinig din siya dito na adopted lang siya. Kaya siguro din. Higanti din siya kasi feeling deprived. Charot. I finished my homework and I'll go. What? Jane, pinalaki ka na nga and all. Nagganti ka pa. Anyway, that's the end of this chapter. Let's see what will happen in the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye.